Good morning students. In previous class we are discussed about to solving the simple equation. In this class we are discussed about the continuation part of these simple equations. Now consider simple equation 12p minus 5 that is equal to 25. Here observe the equation. Here p is the variable, 12 is the coefficient of that variable p, and here from 12p 5 is subtracted, that is equal to 25. Now here LHS side is 12p minus 5, RHS side is 25. Now we can solve this equation. We already know that there are two steps for solving this equation. First one, here subtraction of 5 is there, that's why we can removing this 5, we can add 5 on both sides. First we can adding 5 on both sides, 5 to both sides, adding 5 to both sides. Then we get 12p minus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 25 plus 5. Now minus 5 plus 5 we get 0. Then 12p plus 0, that is equal to 12p, that is equal to 25 plus 5, 30. Now one step is completed. Next go on to next step. Here p is multiplied by 12. 12 is a constant coefficient of this term p. That's why for cancelling this 12 we can, here multiplication is there, we can do the division by 12 to the both the sides. Then we get dividing to both sides by 12. Then we get 12p divided by 12, that is equal to 30 divided by 12. Now 12 get cancelled, p is equal to, now these two numbers are divided by 2 only, otherwise 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. Then p is equal to 5 divided by 2. P is equal to 5 divided by 2 is the solution of the equation 12p minus 5, that is equal to 25. Now we can check this solution is correct or wrong. First consider LHS side of the equation, checking. Here LHS side is 12p minus 5. Now substitute the solution p is equal to 5 by 2. In this side we get 12 into, here p is equal to 5 by 2 minus 5. Now in numerator 12 is there, denominator 2 is 2 1s to 6. Then remaining terms are 6 into 5, 6 into 5 minus 5. Then 6 5s are 30 minus 5. Now 30 minus 5, 25. Observe this RHS side and this answer both will be same, that is equal to RHS. Then the value p is equal to 5 by 2 is the correct solution for the given equation. Now consider same equation 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. Here there are two parts are there, one is LHS side and another one is RHS side. We already solve this equation by two-step method. Now we are going to solve same equation by transposing method. Here minus 5 from 12p we can subtract minus 5. We can transpose this minus 5 from LHS to RHS side. Then we get transposing minus 5 to RHS side. From LHS side to RHS side, we can transpose this minus 5. If this number minus 5 goes to RHS side, we are transposing this minus 5 to RHS side, then that becomes plus 5. The sign of this number will be interchanged. Then we get 12p, that is equal to 25. That goes to RHS side, then that becomes plus 5. Then 12p is equal to 25 plus 5, that is equal to 30. We already know that here p is the variable and 12 is the coefficient of that variable p, that is equal to 30. For cancelling for this 12 here, in between 12 and p multiplication is there. We can divide by 12 on both sides. We already proved same method we can solve in previous problem. Dividing both sides by 12, we get 12 into p divided by 12, that is equal to 30 divided by 12. Here 12 cancel, 12 ones are, well, 1 into p, again we get p, that is equal to 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30, then p is equal to 5 by 2. Here we can, instead of adding 5, we can transposing minus 5 into RHS side. But in both the method, we get the same solution, p is equal to 5 by 2. Now, taking another one example, that is 4 into m plus 3, that is equal to 18. Just observe the equation. Here 4 is multiplied into whole term m plus 3, that is equal to 18. Here LHS side is 4 into m plus 3 and RHS side is 18. Now first for cancelling this 4, here in between 4 and m plus 3 multiplication is there. That's why for removing this 4, we can divide it by 4 on both the sides. Dividing both sides by 4, we get what we get? 4 into m plus 3, that is equal to 18 whole divided by 4. LHS side also divided by 4 and RHS side also divided by 4. Now these 4 will be cancelled out. Then 4 ones are 1 into m plus 3, that is equal to, again we can multiply it by any number by 1. Again we get same number. Then we get m plus 3, that is equal to, here 2's are 4, 2 9's are 18. Both number are divisible by 2 only. 2 2's are 4, 2 9's are 8. Remaining term is 9 by 2. Now observe this equation. Here m is variable, 3 is constant. In between addition is there. For removing this plus 3, in previous method we can subtract 3 on both sides, but now we are transposing this plus 3 into RHS side, then that goes to RHS side, then that sign will be negative. then transposing 3 to RHS side, to RHS, then m is equal to 9 by 2, here plus 3 is there, that goes to RHS side, then that becomes minus 3. Now m is equal to, now here denominator 1 is there, for 2 and 1 LCM is 2, then 9 minus 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, m is equal to 9 minus 6, we get 3 divided by 2, m is equal to 3 by 2 is the solution of the given equation. M into 4 into m plus 3, that is equal to 18. Now check this is the correct solution or not. Just substituting LHS, checking. Just consider the LHS side. LHS is equal to 4 into m plus 3. Substitute the value, m is equal to 3 by 2 in this side. 3 by 2 plus 3. We get multiplied 4 to, we already know that for multiplying 4 to both the terms, 4 into 3 by 2 plus 4 into 3. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 into 3 plus 4 into 3. Then 2 into 3 we get 6 plus 4 into 3 we get 12. 6 plus 12 we get 18. Observe this 18 and RHS side of the equation, both will be same. Therefore that is equal to RHS. Therefore m is equal to 3 by 2 is the solution for the equation 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 18. This is the way to find out the solution of the equation by transposing method. In previous class we can discuss about only finding the solution of the equation. Here they are given some equation, we can find out the solution for the equation. Now they are given the solution, by using the solution we can make the equations. Okay, from solution to, next method is from solution to equation. From solution to equation, first question, construct equation starting with x is equal to 2. Here they are given solution of the equation, that is x is equal to 2. By using this solution we can construct the equation. How can we construct the equation? Very simple. Just consider the solution what they are given. That is equal to, they are given that x is equal to 2. Now you can multiply this variable x and 2 by same number. You can take any number. I will take 3. Then 3 into x, we can multiply same number by both the sides. Multiplied by 3 on both sides. Here I will write that multiply both sides by 3. We get 3 into x, that is equal to 2 into 3. Then 3 into x, one is variable, one is constant, then multiplied these two terms, we get 3x. That is equal to 3 2s are 6. You can this is also one equation. This equation as x is equal to 2 has to be solution. Otherwise, you can subtract any number to this equation. Otherwise, add the same number on both sides to the same equation. I will add 2 to both sides. Then adding 2 to both sides. We get 3x plus 2, that is equal to 6 plus 2. Then 3x plus 2 take as it is, 6 plus 2 we get 8. Then 3x plus 2 is equal to 8 is the equation. It has the solution x is equal to 2. You can write another equation also. Here just consider x is equal to 2. Now multiplying by 5 on both sides, we get 5 into x, that is equal to 2 into 5. Then 5 into x, we get 5x, that is equal to 2 into 5, 10. 5x is equal to 10. For this, now here I will add 2 to the both sides. Now I will subtract 3 from both the sides. Subtracting 3 from both sides. We get 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3, that is equal to 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. We get 5x minus 3, that is equal to 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. This also one equation as solution x is equal to 2. This is the way of construct equations by using the solutions they are given. By using solution, easily we can construct the different equations. Now we are move on to exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. Here question number 1 is solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. In that sub question A is 2y plus 5 by 2 that is equal to 37 divided by 2. Here they are given that equation 2y plus 5 by 2 that is equal to 32 divided by 37 divided by 2. You can solve this equation by transpose method or any method. Now I will solve this equation by transposing method. Then solution. Consider equation again, same equation. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 divided by 2. Now transposing 5 by 2 to RHS side. Here plus 5 by 2 is there, that goes to RHS side, then that becomes negative. Here positive, then that goes to RHS side, that will be negative. Then 2y is equal to 37 divided by 2. Here plus 5 by 2 is there, that goes to RHS side, then that becomes minus 5 by 2. Now 2y is equal to here observe both are having same denominator, same denominator, and here subtraction is there in between two numbers. Now numerator subtract the numerator as it is 37 minus 5. We get 2y is equal to 37 minus 5 is equal to 32 divided by 2. This 32 is easily divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 16 are 32. Then solution is 2y is equal to 16. 2y is equal to 16. Here we can find out the solution of the equation, that means the value of that variable y. Here the number 2 is multiplied to this variable, that's why we can dividing both sides by this number, we get the solution of this equation. Now dividing both sides by 2 we get 2 into y divided by 2, that is equal to 16 divided by 2. Here these two will be cancelled out. Then y is equal to 2 ones are 2 eights are. Y is equal to 8 is the solution of the equation. 2y plus y by 2 is equal to 37 divided by 2. Now we are move on to sub question 2, that is equal to b is equal to 5t plus 28, that is equal to 10. We can solve this equation, that means find out the solution of this equation. Now I will take equation once again, 5t plus 28, that is equal to 10. Here LHS side is 5t plus 28, RHS side is 10. Now in between these two terms, there are two terms are there, in between addition is there. Now we can transpose these 28 into LHS side to RHS side, then we get 5t transposing 28 to RHS side. Here plus 128 is there, that goes to RHS side, that becomes minus 28. Then 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. Then we get 5t is equal to 10. Here bigger number is 28, that has negative side, smaller number is 10. Now we can subtract smaller number by bigger number and put the symbol of bigger number. Then minus 28 minus 10, that is 18. Then we get 5t is equal to minus 18. Here the 5 coefficient of t is 5. For cancelling this coefficient, here this y is multiplied to term variable t. For cancelling this one, we can dividing both sides by 5. We get 5t divided by 5, that is equal to minus 18 divided by 5. Then these 5 will be cancelled out. Then t is equal to minus 18 divided by 5. This is the solution of the equation 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Now we are move on to another one problem. They are given that solution, that is sub question C. A divided by 5 plus 3, that is equal to 2. They are given the equation a divided by 5 plus 3, that is equal to 2. Now we can solve this equation, that means we can find out the solution for this equation. Now consider same equation once again, a divided by 5 plus 3, that is equal to 2. Now observe this, here plus 3 is there. we can transposing this plus 3 into RHS side, that becomes minus 3. Then now we can transposing plus 3 to RHS side, then that becomes a divided by 5, that is equal to 2 minus 3. Plus 3 goes to RHS side, that becomes minus 3. Then we get a divided by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. Here observe, in LHS side variable is a and that variable is divided by 5 is there. For removing this 5, we can multiply it by 5 on both sides. Now multiplying both sides by 5, we get a divided by 5 into 5, that is equal to minus 1 into 5. Now this 5 will be cancelled out, then a is equal to minus 1 into 5, minus 5. A is equal to minus 5 is the solution for the equation a divided by 5 plus 3 is equal to 12. This is the method to solve the equations by transposing method. Now we have moved on to another one sub question, that is called D. D is equal to q by 4 plus 7, that is equal to 5. Q divided by 4 plus 5 is equal to q divided by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Then consider same equation once again, q divided by 4 plus 7, that is equal to 5. Now just observe the LHS side of this equation. Here the LHS side is q divided by 4 plus 7. Here plus 7 is there. We can transposing this plus 7 into RHS side, then that will be negative 7. Then transposing plus 7 to RHS side, then we get q by 4 is equal to 5. This plus 7 goes to RHS side, that becomes minus 7. Then q by 4 is equal to, here bigger number is 7, that has negative sign, that's why we can put negative sign. There is a subtraction is there in between these two numbers, then 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Then here the variable q as divided by 4. For cancelling this 4, we can multiply it by 4 on the both the sides of the equation. Then multiplying 4 by multiplying both sides by 4, we get q divided by 4 into 4, that is equal to minus 2 into 4. Then these 4 will be cancelled out. Remaining term in LHS side is q only. Q is equal to minus 2 into 4, minus 8. Q is equal to minus 8 is the solution of the given equation. Q divided by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Now we are move on to sub question E. Here equation is 5 divided by 2 into x, that is equal to minus 5. Here LHS side is only 5 divided by 2 into x. Here there is no terms is added to this term or subtracted by this term. Now consider same equation, 5 divided by 2 x, that is equal to minus 5. First here in denominator 2 is there, here 5 and x divided by the term 2, that's why for cancelling these 2 we can multiply it by 2 on both the sides. 5 into x divided by 2. Now we can multiply both sides by 2. We get 5 into x divided by 2 into 2, that is equal to minus 5 into 2. Then these two will be cancelled out. Remaining term is 5x is equal to minus 5 into 2 minus into plus minus 5 2 is 10. Now here coefficient of x is 5 is there. For removing this 5 we can divide both sides by 5. Then dividing both sides by 5 we get 5x divided by 5, that is equal to minus 10 divided by 5. Then these 5 will be cancelled out. Remaining term is x, that is equal to 5 1s 5 2s minus into plus minus 2 divided by 1 we can write 2. Then x is equal to minus 2 is the solution for the equation 5 by 2 into x, that is equal to minus 5. Now we are move on to F1 sub question. 5 by 2x, that is equal to 25 divided by 4. 25 divided by 4. Now here also x is variable, coefficient of this variable is 5 by 2 is there. Now we can solve this equation. Here 2 is divided the whole terms 5 and x. Therefore we can multiply both sides by 2. We get 5 by 2 x into 2, that is equal to 25 divided by 4 into 2. Then these two will be cancelled out. Then 2 1s, that means 2 1s are 2 1s. Then 5x into 1 we get 5x, that is equal to, then here 2 1s are 2 2s are, remaining term is 25 divided by 2 is there. Observe this LHS set. Here coefficient of x is 5 is there. For cancelling this 5 we can divide the both sides by 5. We get dividing both sides by 5 we get 5x divided by 5, that is equal to 25 divided by 2, that divided by 5. Here 5 will be cancelled out. Then remaining term is x is equal to 25 divided by 2 whole divided by 5. Here this denominator 5 is there, that goes to numerator, then that becomes 25 divided by 2 into 1 by 5. Now 5 1s are 5 5s are, then that implies x is equal to 5 into 1 5, 2 into 1 2. X is equal to 5 by 2 is the solution for the equation 5 by 2 into x is equal to 25 divided by 4. See, likewise you can solve the remaining 4 problems in sub question 1.